Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be looking at, Happie Scrappie, and this is the January? Let me just go check their kit. Alright, so I'm back, and there it is right there, Hug in a Mug, personal wide rings. I'm trying something new. I have a new light to use with my camera to make things a little bit more brighter, so I hope that it comes out really well. So I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to do a couple other videos today with this sensory light. Okay, first of all, let's just look at how ridiculous this packaging is. So what you do, you get it in this like massive, anyways, and then let's see what's inside. So I'm just gonna pull everything out, and look how cute that is. And it says Happie Scrappie. It's a little butt. It's a little butt. Now I already opened everything, and I was like, I'm not going to put it all the way back into the packaging. Maybe next time, because now I am a subscriber. So I'm gonna leave this here because that's just way too beautiful to put away. So the first thing you get is a pen loop, and I know it's super hard to tell because of the camera light, but there is a little kitty cat Hug in a Mug in it, and it should be showing up on the camera. So you get that, and then you get this really awesome pen. Now each kit comes with a pen, and this is a rainbow pen. It's a gel pen. The brand is, I'm going to do that, and then you can see it, and it says Trick or Treat Baby. Here, there we go. Nope, I'm like super failing at this life right now. So anyways, whatever. So I got the personal wide rings, and to tell you the truth, I'm actually moving out of a personal wide, which is this. This is my personal wide. I'm moving out of this, and I am going to be using something more cooler where I feel like I have planner piece, and this is my mini Happie planner, and it's a mini Happie. There it is. So I'm going to be using this, and I already made tabs for it, so I'm really excited. So I'm going to actually change my subscription, which by the way I should probably email them today to let them know. So on the back, I love the packaging, you guys. Like, this is what I live for, okay? You get, and it's definitely a collaboration with Annie Plans. So I'm just going to take it out, and you get really nice cardstock, and there's the Hug in the Mug, double-sided. You get some of these. I think that's it. Oh, okay, no. Yeah. So you can do like lists, or you can make it like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then Hug in a Mug again, and then this is just, okay, you can't really see it on the camera, but it is a dot grid paper. So that's really exciting. And on the back, the graphics are amazing. The quality is amazing. I am in love, you guys. I am so happy with this Happie Scrappie kit. Hence, probably the word Happie Scrappie. I don't even know if this will even go back in there. Yeah, well, okay. So there's that. And I'm just going to kind of go in sequence of things that are together, because I know everything over there came together, and I was just so excited. I just opened everything up. So then you get these really cute holographic Hug in the Mug. Oh my gosh, the texture is amazing. I don't want to say construction paper. Good grief, what's the word? Oh, why is this like leaving me my brain? But really thick paper, and like scrapbook paper, and then you get vellum. What? Okay, holy moly. You should have seen me when I was like, when I first opened it. My husband was like, are you okay? I was just losing my marbles. Look how cute that is. Bose hollow. And then you got some more scrapbook paper with the clouds and the bows. This is why I'm happy I'm using this light, because you need to see how holographically amazing everything is. And also, mind you, this is not a paid sub. Like, I'm not sponsored. I'm just doing this because I bought it and I love it. Now, the next thing you get is this. It's really funny how even like the paper you think is the same texture. I'm probably just gonna have to rip this open. But it comes with a pencil case. So the pencil case is a pink hollow, and what I want to do is maybe put some Happy Planner tabs and then put this in my mini Happy Planner. But how cute is that? Or honestly, I might just keep it as sort of a wallet. How cute is this pencil case? Okay, here comes the fun stuff. Now, what I noticed with Happie Scrappie is their stickers come numbered. So I'm gonna quickly try and put this in order. So it kind of makes a little bit more sense and it kind of flows better. So you see what you actually get when you get it. It's amazing. Like, I'm just shocked at how cool this whole kit is. Okay, first let's start with this. First you get these little tabs, and they're hugging the mug, so they kind of, you peel one and then you can, you know, attach it together and make a cute little tab. So there's that. Then you get some box stickers, so Monday to Sunday, and again it's that hugging the mug, and everything is a sticker. So like, even this is a sticker, you guys. Okay, how cool is that? Even this is a sticker. Again, hugging the mug. I love the bear. I'm a bear fanatic. And then again, you get some tabbies, and this is a like hugging a bear coffee cup. And then you get a second pair. Very cute. Except this one's cats. These ones are, oh no, they're both the same. No, they're both the same. Then you get numbers from 1 to 30. So if I guess you're doing a monthly spread. So it's really, really cool. Then you get these. These are really, really cool. How gorgeous are they? So they say like today. They say to do. Let me just make sure this focuses. There it is. How awesome. Then you get your weekday stickers and weekend stickers. Really nice, great quality. Then you get some more box stickers, and there's the theme, hugging a mug. Love, love, love. And last but not least, here's your hugging the mug kitty cat holographic stickers, and they're pretty chunky. I mean, you know, just the size of this pen shows you. What's a better example? Here, a washi tape. Little washi tape I have. So I mean, it's pretty cool. Really love everything. So I want to thank Happie Scrappie. I'm so happy I've become a subscriber. I can't wait for the January kit. Everything came on time. And yeah, so thanks for watching, everyone. Have a happy day. Please make sure you like my video. Subscribe would be awesome, and see you guys soon. Bye. So this is everything in the kit. Hope you love it as much as I do.